everybody. How do you take an industry standard favorite product and improve upon it? You make it better. And that's exactly what we've done with the MiniSplit Bib 360 kit. We've taken the MiniSplit Bib Kit and we've now created the MiniSplit Bib 360 that gives you total coverage of the entire mini-split unit. So no more splashing on the walls or any of the surroundings behind it. This bib now protects everything surrounding the unit, encases the water, so when you do go to spray with your CoilJet 125 and clean out that mini-split kit, you clean out the vent fans, you clean everywhere inside of it, and it all goes into the bib itself, and it has an 8-foot drain line with a 5-gallon bucket to catch everything that you're spraying in there, protecting the environment, protecting those people's homes and other businesses. Everything you need to set up the MiniSplit 360 Bib Kit comes in this convenient 5-gallon bucket. You get the bib, the wall hangers, 2 deflector plates for different size mini-split units up to 44 inches wide, a very secret protective tape that goes over the electronics once you've taken that front shield off of that mini-split unit itself, and protects all the electronics from any kind of spray or moisture or damage. And then you can, once you're all done, you pack it all back up in the bucket, off you go to the next job, and you set it back up. Today we're going to talk about installing the MiniSplit Bib 360 kit and show you guys why it's so important to install this product properly so you can protect the walls and surroundings when cleaning a mini-split indoors. So it all comes pre-packaged in this 5-gallon bucket. You get the bib, the ears that go behind it, the protective shields, and the protective tape. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to open the bucket, and the first thing we do is we pull the bib out. Basically undo it to make sure all of the pieces and parts are there, and it comes pre-assembled, so it's very convenient. You take the 2 dark gray plastic ears and they slide right behind the mini-split unit itself. So they come up and they go over and they install easy and nice and neat. Then you attach the top ring of the MiniSplit Bib 360. It is supposed to kind of bow out to give that protection of the wall and the ceiling. You can then tighten it up a little bit to make sure you do have that complete and full coverage. Then you take the bottom rungs and you attach those to the ears as well, creating that total complete coverage of the wall. Snug up the bottom cord there to make sure everything's aligned and behind everything. Now that it's good and snug, you take your protective plastic deflector sheet there, slide it in behind the unit to catch all the water that comes dripping out, and it kind of directs everything into the bib itself. You're then ready to go ahead and start cleaning that unit however you want to.